Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how you can flip an image or a photo inside of Canva. First thing we need to do is head over to the Elements option and select Elements. In the top here, we're going to type in something that we want to search. So we will type in Halloween. Here we can see we've got all different types of graphics and all different types of photos. So if we take a look at photos, and here we can see now we have all the different Halloween photos that we can choose from. So we will get rid of the text. Here we can see now we have a photo of a pumpkin and some cute little ghosts. This is a free photo that is to use within Canva. If the photos like this one have a crown in the bottom corner, then they are included in the Canva Pro plan. If you would like to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, then please click on the link in the description and that will give you a free trial. For the purpose of this, we're just going to use this free photo. So there we can see we've popped it onto our canvas, we've positioned it. Now if we want to move the pumpkin and ghosts to the other side, all we need to do is simply head up to flip, select the flip option, and we can see now we've got two more options to flip horizontal or flip vertical. So we're going to select flip horizontal, and we can see now that it has changed the position of the pumpkin and the little ghost. So this is a great feature if you are wanting to put text on a specific side or you need your design to be on a specific side. The same will work for graphics as well. If we was to select graphics, then it will also flip them in the same way. If we was to choose this cat, this little cat ghost, again we can select flip horizontal, and it's flipped the cat around. So it does work for graphics as well as photos. There is an exception though that you need to be aware of. If we was to select this Halloween party sign, which is pretty cool, but if we wanted to flip it, then it shows you the back. So there is a bit of an issue if a photo or a graphic has text in it. That's going to present you a bit of a problem when you come to flipping it, because it doesn't flip the text over, it just shows you the back. Again, if we try this one and we flip it, it doesn't flip the text to be readable, it just shows you the back. So that is something that you will need to bear in mind when selecting photos or graphics that you want to use, and it will do the same if we choose one of the photos. So if we select this free photo, we can see there it says October and the little ghosts say boo, and if we flip that, it makes the text backwards. So that doesn't quite work, but it will work with any image, photo or graphic that you have that does not contain text. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.